All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Chevy Impala. It is the LT model. It's beautiful white with the gray leather. Well, it's got the Grand Lux interior, which is like that two-tone type of leather. It's like leather with like some cloth inserts. Let's take a look. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks okay. Thought I saw a ding. No. Front hood looks pretty good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I do see some curbing. I'm going to call it 10 or more because it goes pretty far. Okay. Tire thread is under 730 seconds. Let me double check it. That is correct. Under 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. This rear door looks nice. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's the rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing on this one. No, I do not. Any tire thread. Just a hairline over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, anything up here. Actually, I do see 2 dents over there. When I get to that side, I'll show you guys what we're talking about. Of course, you got power windows, power doors, power mirrors, your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. It looks good. Here's that two-tone. It used to be called the Grand Lux or Grand something. I'll figure it out later. But anyway, so this is like a leather here with some like cloth like insert there. Check it out. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Of course, you got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right there. You got your AC controls right down below. All right, dual AC controls. Super nice. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 46,245. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Does not look too bad. Very nice stuff. Good stuff. Keeping it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No tears, no rips to that. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around. Rear bumper. Looks okay. Here's what your rear trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and I did tuck away the owner's manuals right there. Quarter looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger, your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see any curving. There's some right here, about 2 to 3 inches. Tire thread is over 730 seconds here on this side. This door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks pretty good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. That one looks nice. Front passenger fender looks good. And like I said, I wanted to show these. So yeah, it looks like 3 little things. 1, 2, 3 right here. 3 dents on this roof. You can see one right there, one right there, and there's one right here in the middle. Not as deep as the other 2. All right. Front passenger rim. That looks nice. Oops. The scarf fell. Tire thread. Over 730 seconds there. That pretty much completes the tour. Lights are working. Car is on. Things are beautiful. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Chevy Impala LT model V6 with 46,000 miles. If you guys get any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.